I'll follow you.
Van in the middle of midnight.
I really don't like that.
Me neither.
Let's get out of here.
That is no good business. Let's get out of here. Night ride, no headlight, full moon. How was that?
Perfect.
Oh yeah, I'll follow you. This thing's not backfiring. What the heck, bro? Oh my gosh. Let out so bad. I'm so happy there's not a cactus right here. I know there's cactuses around. Bro, that was scary. Just mid-sentence talking about backfires. Just to the other side. I can't see the terrain. I don't want to slip out anywhere around here because I know there's cactuses lining this trail. Ow. Dude, it's scary. You can't see any rut. All good. This thing's rut so high it's scary. It's not backfiring. I'm upset. Riding pit bikes is only fun when it's backfiring. Whoa. This is way easier on bigger bikes. I did this once on a 70. It was awful. This is pretty awful, but we made it. Oh, I'm scared. That was a workout. There's no grip on this rear tire, so really just winging it. Oh man. Oh man. Also, I hate this bike a lot less now that I've done a lot to it. Earlier today, I was editing a video I took a while ago. I was riding with Troy, did the Ridge Trail, did all that good stuff. Rode Austin's track. And the whole time I was complaining it was annoying because I actually kind of like it now, even though it does stuff like that. Come on. Keep going. There we go. Okay. Anyways, it feels like anytime I compliment this bike, it just tries to have me take it back. Oh! Dude, flame! Huge. Let me see it. Oh my gosh, I totally got that on video.
It is so slow.
That shook my core. I fell over like 3 times. Oh yeah. It's not a fun pit bike ride without flames. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. Anyways, what I was talking about, I was editing this video, kept complaining about it. Very annoying because this bike isn't that bad. It was just tuned very wrong. Oh yeah. The tires were aired up way too high, like 30 psi. It's supposed to be at 15. Carburetor was way out of whack. Changed the float height and everything. And then that's about it. It's pretty good now. Fixed the clutch, brake, whatever. Pretty good now. So I take back everything I said. This bike's a good bike. It's just a little sketchy sometimes. You know how it is. So yeah, I'm done complaining. I'm done apologizing for complaining. Let's go ride pit bikes at night. Oh, this thing's amazing. I really better on this thing than anything else. Oh my gosh, that's scary. Get out of here, dude. Go, 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 go. Oh my gosh. Go, 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 go. 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 Oh my god. Bro. What? Oh my gosh. Dude. What do you think that was for? Did you see it? That's scary.
Dude, that felt like that guy's out of kingdom.
Random van in the middle of nowhere?
At midnight, dude?
Past midnight.
There
It's
was a beer cooler, though.
I didn't see it.
The one in the blue one.
Bro, that is terrifying.
I say.
I don't want to go over there again.
Neither do I. I don't know if I want to be over here anymore. Dude, the clouds. I'm so tempted to hit the step up.
Don't do it.
Why?
Don't overdo it. Also, dangerous.
Dangerous. Alright. Nice flames, by the way.
Dude, those flames are
I
awesome.
say we hit the step up. Well, we don't hit it, but we get it. And then we go straight.
Yes?
And then we do that little trail skis. And then we go down Super Scary Rocky Way.
I agree. And then straight to Rock House?
Sure. I'll follow you because I go way too fast.
Okay, sounds good.
And
Bro,
I like
that
to be able to see you.
That van scared me so bad.
Dude, I turn around the corner, I see the van. That's totally a murder van.
Yeah, dude, the entire time I was behind you, we were both stumbling, and I just said, go, 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 get out of here, dude.
Dude, I saw it, and my front tire started slipping out.
Bro, lights
I
out?
see it.
Well, I know, I see it too.
I say we get out of here, dude. I don't want to be here anymore.
Yeah, me too.
Let's go.
Dude, lights out.
I'll follow you.
Van in the middle of
I
midnight.
really don't like that.
Me neither.
Let's get out of here.
That is no good business. Let's get out of here. Oh my gosh, I just feel uneasy now. I do not like that. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate that. I wish we didn't see that man. Oh, that gives me the creeps, dude. That gives me the creeps. I want to talk to Will about it, but I can't. Oh. Then there'd be a real... Dude, all of these little bushes I see in rocks, it's scary. Dude, every single bush. Usually I'm not a scary guy. Usually I don't think, ooh, I see a weird thing move, it's a ghost. Usually I'm not one of those guys. But dude, I'm scared. I see anything, like a bush sticking up. Oh, I saw a tree in the distance. Made my heart drop. Oh, and the bike dies. Perfect. Now, a dude's going to come and murder us. My bike off, and I won't be able to bump start it because it has no grip on the rear tire. Bro, Friday night, Saturday morning, full moon. I'm gonna stop blabbering about it. That's scary. Okay, Will's back there. Didn't get caught by the boogeyman. I don't like the boogeyman. I didn't think the boogeyman exists, but now I do. Why does something like that have to happen? I don't like that. Not one bit. I'd assume we're far enough away from the boogeyman. Man, this thing doesn't backfire. Weird. Out in the wilderness is scary. Hear the gunshots, man. Maybe we're scaring away the crackhead rapist murderers because they're firing off gunshots. Thankfully, there's nobody. I don't want to get close to it.
Why it's so weird how empty it is out here, dude. I'm so tripped up from that.
I'm sorry if you haven't thought about this yet, but I am so freaked out. The entire time we were riding here, every bush scared the tar out of me
too.
Because I thought it was the dude from the van.
Dude, I don't know why it's tripping me up so bad.
It's so scary,
Probably
dude.
An empty van.
With no lights in the middle of the night. Pulled off in the trails. If it was up on the top of Yellowgate, that wouldn't be that crazy.
No.
But dude, pulled down there alone. So the entire ride here, I was expecting to see the boogeyman.
Dude, that's what I've been thinking about too. I've been thinking more of a cult look at it.
Oh.
Like a cult's out here.
I was thinking more of a guy with a dead body trying to dump it.
Like worshipping their cultist god. Like, and they saw us.
Mm-hmm.
They can't know.
Well, maybe the gunshots are like helping scare them away.
No, those actually, I was riding and like I took both my hands off my handlebar right as we're going down a.
Oh my god,
dude.
Sorry about that one.
It's alright. I'm like, oh,
that's a big amount of scared with hands off.
I was riding. We were going down this super scary wagon.
You got shot, but dude, I don't want to get near that thing. I'm scared of hobos. I'm honestly concerned why that's
I'm
there.
Scared that we're being watched.
Jesus,
I say
protect us.
Jesus.
Oh, let's go.
How bright it is.
Let's get out of here. Let's go. Oh, dude, I can see like normal. Let's get out of here.
Yeah. Dude, like, look, there's shadows.
Yeah.
Look at the shadow.
Dude, I'll follow you.
No, I want to follow you.
Okay.
I want to make sure you're with me.
Okay.
I don't want to be alone.
Oh, you're right. Being scared, and I am kind of scared. Where am I going? I turned at the wrong time. If there was a rut, I would have died. did this, there was like parties everywhere. Like everywhere. At Rock House there were a ton of people out. We saw a bunch of bands, or not bands, like trucks with blasting awesome music. Now it's just dark, quiet, and empty. Scary, except for that one terrifying van up to no good. Where am I going? Okay. I really hate that van. Why did that happen? We're coming on uncharted territory.
Dude.
I really don't like this.
My boot keeps hitting the
Oh, the plastic?
no, the
Oh.
Kickstarter,
Uh-huh.
and it goes.
On that bike, my boot always catches the
Dude,
plastic.
I literally just heard someone yell.
No, you didn't.
I'm not even joking. It
Bro.
was like a. I'm not joking. I'm like, I swear to you, on my mom, I'm not joking.
I do not want to go on uncharted territory. Oh, but this way it's... Oh my gosh. We're
Book it home. Book it home. Start your bike. Go. Come on.
Which way?
We have a camera.
We
Cameramen don't die.
You're right.
I'm not-
But then you might die. Dude, I want to
If you
take
could
Bundy
tell my
home so
story,
bad.
man. I don't care.
Or do we... Oh.
I say we just the longer we sit.
But we're thinking, hold on.
I say we just go. Come
Hold
on,
on.
man. Suck it up.
Hold on. If we
I'd slap you, but you have a helmet on.
if we take the right way,
That's going
we
closer
won't
to home.
die.
I don't want to go that direction.
Okay.
I feel safer going this direction. Because we know for a fact there's some idiot up there.
Yeah.
So 100% chance there's someone up there.
Okay.
There's
Okay. Let's go.
50-50.
Yeah, because if we go up there, maybe he's walking down.
Yep, go. Now I don't
Okay.
like that.
Oh, I hate this so much. I'm having fun, but I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I don't want to think. I just want to go. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. I don't want to know. Oh, I love being able to ski like this. Beautiful. Open, making sure we're not dying. Bro, I hate this so much. Where am I going? Where is the trail? I hope you can see something on GoPro because I want to post this footage. Even if you can't see anything, I'm posting it. Even if it's just black. Every little shadow makes my heart drop. I hate it. I hate it. Will's there, we're good. Cameramen don't die. And 2 guys don't die. 3 guys, the black guy always dies. 2 white men on dirt bikes. We can't die. It's physically impossible. It's against the script. Oh, I hate everything right now. I hate everything right now. Dragging the clutch as hard as possible. I can see pretty well right now. I don't know what I'd do if I saw the boogeyman right in front of me. You go around him? You turn around? did he do? Oh my god. I wish I could see so I could go quicker. I can't see, so I can't go quicker. Oh my gosh, don't crash now. I'm happy I took the sketchy bike just so he didn't have to take the sketchy bike and I'd be worried about him. I know he's on the good bike, so. Okay, I'll stop thinking about it by telling you guys about the 80. So, I can't not think about it, especially when we're going down dark tree path. Boogeyman around the corner. Okay, no boogeyman, we're good. No boogeyman, we're good. Home stretch. Get me out of here. Get me out of here, dude. Okay, so the 80, it's back in order. He's on it right now. The air filter fell off, but I made like a little intake boot and now it's amazing. The air filter also fell off again, but I put it right back on. Survived! Let's go!
We are not dead.
Yeah, we are. We are away from Boogeyman territory. I am ready for bed. I'm going to go to sleep at my house. Oh my gosh! Dude, that actually scared me so bad. Why was that timed so perfectly too? Right in front of me. Just fly by. Pop! Dude, that's cool. Alright. I guess I'll have to end the video here then, because I don't want you seeing where my truck is parked. So, yeah. That's awesome. Get caught by the boogeyman. See you guys next time. Hate it. I'm so happy we are alive and we didn't see anything horrific. Thank the Lord. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Adios. Sayonara.